How to set up your audio interface for music production. Setting up your audio interface for music production can feel like a big task, but it's really about connecting a few key pieces. Let's break it down step by step to make it easy and fun. First, grab your audio interface and connect it to your computer. Most interfaces use either universal serial bus or Thunderbolt cables for this connection. Once that is done, it's time to connect your studio monitors, which are your speakers, and headphones to the output jacks on the interface. This is where you will hear everything you record and mix. Next, let's connect your microphones or instruments. Use XLR cables for microphones and 1/4-inch cables for instruments. If you are using a condenser microphone, make sure to turn on the phantom power, which is usually labeled as plus 48 volts. This will provide the necessary power for your microphone to work properly. Now that the hardware is connected, it's time to set up your computer and digital audio workstation. You want to make sure your digital audio workstation recognizes the audio interface as both the input and output device. This is key for getting audio signals to flow smoothly between your interface and software. Inside your digital audio workstation, you will need to route the inputs and outputs. This means matching them to your recording and monitoring setup. Adjust the input gain knobs on your interface to set the signal levels. You want the levels to be strong enough to capture clear sound but not so high that they cause distortion. While recording, use input monitoring in your digital audio workstation to hear the sound in real time. Also, set the buffer size in the audio settings of your digital audio workstation. This helps balance low latency, which is the delay you hear, and stable performance. Before you start recording, it's a good idea to test your setup. Create a dummy track, record a short clip, and play it back to check that everything is working correctly. Make sure your outputs are routed to your monitors or headphones so you can hear the playback. When choosing an audio interface, look for one with enough inputs and outputs for your current and future recording needs. High-quality preamps in the interface will give you clear microphone amplification. Ensure your interface supports standard sample rates and bit depths, such as 24-bit and 48 kHz, for professional audio quality. If your interface has direct monitoring features, use them to reduce latency while recording. Regularly check and adjust input gain levels to avoid noise or distortion. By following these steps, you can easily integrate your audio interface into your music production workflow. Enjoy the process of creating and recording your music.